I was pressure washing the combine. Oh, here it comes. So, let's quit that. So, I did get one wagon in here so far. I've got it all greased. I've got 50 pounds of air in each tire. So the next thing is going to be graphiting the inside of this, if it'll stay still. There it is. As you can tell, there's hardly any graphite left on them. Me and my uncle graphited all the wagons, I think December of 14. December of 14. After that harvest is when or maybe it was 15. I don't know, so it's been about it's been at least 5 years. So, I mean, while it's wet, might as well. What the hell is he doing? It rained a little over half an inch. Or not, yeah, half an inch, yeah. Enough to make everything wet. So, oh well. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. So, I'm going to go back to these gravity wagons. I hope the inside is dried out here. It should be. Oh, shit. That was not there last night. Yesterday. Big ass stone. That thing made that web since last night. I'll be. God, I hate spiders. Yeah, now you're gonna climb up, and when I start graphiting the inside of this, you're gonna scare the shit out of me anyway. So it should be dry in here. So I didn't get all that out that I wanted to, but it'll be all right. See, I'm gonna graphite this stuff. Found me a roller. Big long roller, and the graphite's over here. Right here. So, I know this one needs it. I don't know about the other red one, but it's only about half a can, so I'm probably just gonna do the worst ones and go from there. So yeah, I'll get the graphite in here. Ain't the prettiest job, but you don't see any red paint except right there. I could touch that up a little bit better, but yeah, that should make her slicker. See, it's already drying right here, quite a bit. So there's a chance of rain through the rest of the day, and I really don't want to leave this sit out while the graphite's still wet, so I don't know. I do know. But I also want to start getting other wagons in here. So, well, we'll see what happens here.